and running. In this context,
Mine's
there's no
cobblestone.
disrespect.
We are going to mine. Maybe I can figure out how to have like time lapse.
Time lapse. Well, maybe later. Maybe later.
Welcome
Actually,
to episode 3, and we're over talking ourselves.
and I'm parkouring at spawn, which we will do a video on later on.
Yeah, we're going to do Myth.
She's just mining cobblestone, and we're probably maybe time lapse this or just skip it, so you guys don't have to watch the hard, agonizing pain of watching people mine cobblestone, which sucks.
Yeah.
Some people think it's interesting, some don't. I don't think it's interesting a lot.
I think it's interesting
Sometimes when they're talking.
When they like change the cobblestone into diamonds in their inventory. It's funny when they do that. I think that's pretty dang interesting how they do that.
Well, I guess you could just mine some cobblestone. Who cares?
Yes.
We'll just start this episode here. We won't time lapse it. We might time lapse it later.
Yeah. We'll probably time lapse it. You know what? Let's go.
Hey, hold on. Quest 2. I think we need to do Quest 2. Expand the platform.
Well, first when we're expanding the platform, let's get a mob grinder up and running.
Yeah. First we expand the island a little bit. We need to. That's the first thing. We just need to expand it a little bit as the sides. Over there, we really need to. It's like desperate to be expanded.
Well, then we'll put our mob grinder around there. I'm only going to take like half of the cobblestone.
Because we don't like. Mob traps.
T-Man's niece wants to teleport.
Oh. Well, I guess who? Okay, accept it for a little bit and tell them we're doing a video and yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we have a friend named T-Man.
Yeah.
He has a long
you heard about him in the first episode.
You can tell her. Tell her. She said hi in chat.
Hold on, I'm going to message her. S-G O thing. Hey.
I told her we're making a video.
Okay.
I don't think she saw me in chat.
That's she. Girl. We now cheat and have to have a mix. This is taking up some time.
Hey, hold on. I'll be back, guys. 1 second.
Okay. Let's see. For
Okay, hold on. I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna get my food to eat, and then I'll be back. I'm not gonna end the call. I'm just gonna be back. I'm getting my food.
I know. So then people won't hear all the interesting stuff your family says. I'm just kidding. Oh no, my friend's turning. Oh my god! Did you guys just see that? Wow. Do I have to tell everybody this? A vid. Doing a video. Okay. Alright. Yeah, sorry about that. It's not very efficient. You know what? I'm going to do something like this. Do not disturb. There we go. Oh, here. Away. There we go. So, I'm sorry. This is probably really boring. I don't know why I'm singing. Epic dance party. I'm probably not going to another one. Had enough dance parties. Stalker. Oh my gosh. Dude. Oh, I'm sorry. I went quiet for a second. Oh my gosh. Ah, I'm getting bad at this. I need my friends. What the heck? Lock. Please. Be quiet. I'm sorry. I am very sorry.
I'm back.
Yay, okay. Minor girl wants to join, and I keep on telling her that there's a mic. She has to have a mic, and Awesome is tech chatting. Oh my gosh.
Just block him.
I don't want to block him because... Wait, what's
They
blocking?
won't know. He won't know if you blocked him.
Well,
He won't know
if I block him, does that like remove him from my contacts? Or does
No,
that...
it just blocks him because you were like, getting annoyed.
Okay.
And he just can't talk to you. He can't like.
Oh, okay. I'll just... what? I'm going to have to write this on my arm. I had to write in reading journal on my arm. Okay, he's probably going to be quiet. If he talks to me again, then I'll block him. Because I had to write reading journal on my arm because I forgot to bring it to school, like, forever. Sucks. I might have to do my homework soon.
Huh.
Can you make a new pick?
I have a pick.
Give it. Thank you. Do you think the video's been long enough? Then I need to do some of my homework. Like, let me get to the back of my page, do a couple problems there, and I can do my journal soon. So do you think that's good time, bro?
What?
For
What?
Are you secretly typing to me?
No, sorry, no. I was typing in something. What do you want? What are you gonna say?
Minor girl wants to know she can join, but I keep on telling her she has.
No, she can't. I'm sorry.
Yeah, I know. I keep on telling her that. She's like, "Can I join? Can you kick her from our island or something?"
I don't think so. I don't know. I think you can. Gotta see.
I can't. The song's stuck in my head.
He's box man.
Here, I'll message her. Can you please get off my island?
Wait, oh.
Please. Is lens.
Speaking want to just. I still want to destroy the blocks under her right now, which I'm probably gonna do.
Okay, as long as she's not. There we go. She's magical. There we go. Okay.
Yeah, she's gonna freak out right now. Oh my gosh, she's gonna rage. Oh gosh. She's gonna rage. If this is recording, oh my god.
I am.
Oh my god.
Sorry, T-Man's niece. But
She's probably back at home. I would laugh if she's like right behind you again.
yeah, she'd probably be like, "Oh, I hate you."
Sorry, I yelled, sorry.
Okay. Yeah. I'm used to that from you.
No, but I don't think the cats are. Oh, an apple. Where did an apple come from?
From the tree that grew
There's
and
an
found my
apple.
face.
Look, there's a apple just randomly right here.
There's an apple randomly right here, and I just picked
Pick
it
up.
up.
You just picked it up.
Yeah.
It was on the ground. I saw it.
It was over here, actually.
Huh.
You're
That's
lagging.
weird. I guess I'm lagging probably.
I actually picked it up.
I placed another sapling. It's actually a good spot for trees to grow. Like,
Yeah.
really.
Our last island, we had to wait 2 days for one
No.
tree to grow.
Like, it just took forever.
And when I killed a skeleton, it didn't drop any bones. It was like a wasteland biome.
Why can't I place anything?
You're lagging. Reconnect.
Okay.
Because you're standing still. You do know that, right?
Oh, I am? Okay,
Yeah.
I'm lagging.
Yeah. You're like, oh, I didn't do that, Sunny.
Just tell me. I'm lagging next time.
I did. I told you you're lagging.
Sorry, I'm in.
Yeah, I know. I can tell that.
Yeah.
Are you eating chicken? That'd be
No, I'm
ironic.
hot dogs with what is it called? Sweet no, it was
What do you think it was?
chips. I
Okay.
forget what kind.
Okay.
Sour cream and onion.
Okay, we don't need to know everything. I just finished up eating a chicken drumstick. I actually ate my drumstick. That's how hungry I was.
Huh.
Yeah. I was hungry.
Get away, dog. She wants my food. Why is the sapling there?
I actually put a collar on my neck today. Because I found my dog's old collar. And I wanted to see if it would fit on my neck. And it was actually bigger. She's a small dog.
Oh, wow. Cool.
My sister,
Mhm.
when, this is, like, girly stuff. My sister wanted me to go to this, like, store,
Mhm.
and, there's a drawing for iPad and a bicycle that looks really cool. It's, like, cushioned and stuff, and it has this, like, cup holder thing.
Cool.
And the drawing is really awesome. I might not want to put this video up until the 13th because I don't want anybody to steal my chance. But they
Of
don't
what?
know what store it is. Oh, but it's like for their grand opening, and they're going to have like a DJ playing and stuff.
What are they selling?
They
Again?
what? They're not
What were they
selling
selling?
anything.
Oh,
It's just a grand opening for them.
cool.
Yeah, so I could get a free iPad.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah. Alright, I got a stack in it.
Nobody's probably gonna watch this video. Maybe, you never know. You're gonna upload it. We're just
Yeah.
gonna make it.
Okay.
Yeah.
You took one of my stacks of cobblestone, didn't you?
And how did I light freaking on fire when I was just like right on the cobblestone? Look, Daisy, I was right here.
Yeah,
Just
I
right
know.
here.
That's how we went into the hot tub. Do you want me
There.
to cover up the hot tub? Like, you overheated it again.
Yeah, by accident.
Okay, so you do want me to cover it up?
Yeah.
Okay. I need 25. Yeah, we can do.
There's some lot like foreign language people on here. Like foreign people.
Yeah, I know, it's weird. Oh, there's this many. Okay, I'm going to make the mob spawner. I mean, the mob grinder.
Oh yeah, but hold on.
What?
We have one more thing. I have to do this back of this place, and then we achievement get in a minute.
Okay. Should I get a checklist for all of our... Well, always.
We should have like a main texture pack for this series. Like that would both of us have. Specs, yeah.
Yeah.
Actually,
I'll download that.
let's leave it up to the cats. Actually, right now we'll have a Sfax, and if the cats want us to put on a certain texture pack, we'll put it on.
Yeah.
Even if it's so embarrassing, we'll try to get it.
We'll put it
No,
on.
nothing over 64 because that's my computer cannot handle 64.
My computer can't handle like 32.
My computer can handle 32.
Well, actually, my computer's more advanced than yours, so boom!
Who cares?
So I can handle it. Are you helping me build the mob grinder?
Yeah, we gotta build it like very far away.
Yeah, I know. We're going to do.
Hold on, BRB. I'm gonna go get a drink, and I'll be right back. So if you want to end off the video like right here, and then we'll do another.
All right.
So
all right. Hold on. Let's do our outro.
I'll say bye, cats.
No,
from
no.
now on.
Let's do
What did I say?
Let's do our outro. Put the stuff in the chest.
I know,
Outro.
but okay, but I'll say bye, cats, and then you say like rate, comment, subscribe, and all that.
Yeah. Okay. Come on. We'll do it off here. Okay. All right. 3, 2. Oh wait, I have stuff in my head.
You have your stuff in your inventory. Your stuff. Oh yeah, by the way, achievement get expand the island.
Yeah, we should highlight.
See, look, get a view of this. We expanded. I expanded the island. Achievement get expand island.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Bye, cats.
Rate, comment, subscribe, and bye.
Bye.
Ugh.
You done?
See you later, guys.